loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Aliyah and I make natural hair videos. So on today's video, this is a twist out and I want to show you guys how I achieved it. So my product of choice is the Camille Rose Almond J Twisting Butter and water. I didn't use a lot of product on this hairstyle because honestly less is more for me. So let's get into it. So my hair had been done already the night before, but I left some hair out so I can show you guys step by step on how I achieved this style. So I took my comb and parted my hair. You don't really have to part it, but I wanted to. I parted my hair and I combed the root out just to make sure I didn't have any just tangles. And then I spritzed it with my spray bottle. So next I took the twisting butter and I applied it to the root of my hair because this makes sure my hair is moisturized before twisting it. And that is like super important. So next I make sure the root of my hair is smooth and I divide my hair in two pieces and I just twist on down, but I make sure my twist is extra tight so that it doesn't come out while I'm asleep and that the curls are super defined when I unravel them. I'm gonna let you guys see that again. I sprayed my hair and then I added the twisting butter and then I'm just gonna twist my hair down again. And just a key tip when doing this style, make sure when you twist your hair to the very end that you make sure your ends are not frizzy because that can affect the way your hair turns out in the end. So just make sure the ends are moisturized and not frizzy. A little tip that I'm going to apply to my own self, but I want to let you guys know to make sure when you do this style, to me, it looks better when your twists are all the same size. So I noticed that the back of my hair was a little bigger. My twists were a little bigger. So next time I'm going to make sure I make them all the same size because it does affect the way the twist out turns out. So yeah. So now all there's left to do is to wrap my hair up and allow it to air dry, and then I'll be back with the takedown. Okay, so now that our hair is all dry, we're going to take down our twist. And honestly, using that one product made it easy for my hair to dry faster. I will say that. So let's get into the unraveling. And look how my hair looks. Honestly, it looks beautiful. Like, I love the way my curls came out. Now the key to unraveling your hair is to unravel your hair slowly. Don't be in a rush. And also you can use a oil as well. So I'm going to do that next time. But this is the way my twists are turning out and they look so beautiful. Honestly, love using that twisting butter for this twist out, and I will be doing it again. But yep, so I'm going to let you guys see just how I take down my hair, and I'm gonna speed up the video. So now that I have unraveled my hair, I'm just going to add some extreme gel to my edges just to, you know, zhuzh it up a little bit, just a little bit. For this style, you can leave your hair like this. You don't have to pick it out and make your hair bigger. And it will last longer if you just leave it like this and let it get bigger on its own. But I did decide to pick my hair out just a little bit. But I do love it like this. I think it came out so pretty. So these are my results after I picked my hair out just a little bit, and I absolutely love it. So if you love it, please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.